The story. No, this meeting is being recorded. No problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, 1 second. Okay. IG story posted. For those who are not followers on Instagram, follow us at blockchain.sensei. We're gonna get to 10,000 plus followers this year, God willing. All right. So the story's posted. Let me just go live on the IG and then we'll get started. Mm-mm-mm. Right. Live. Okay. Okay. Join Zoom now in story and bio. Pin. Okay. I'm only on IG to promote the Zoom. All right, let's get it. What's good, people? It's currently 6 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time. Sunday, the 14th of January 2024. It is Valentine's Day, 1 month from today. So the world moves quick, it's Christmas, it's this and that. Don't get distracted by the Matrix. Don't get distracted by Babylon. Welcome to Technically Speaking, which is a free weekly financial literacy webinar where we cover everything and anything stocks, trading, crypto, charts, data. To join this free webinar, what you do is go to blockchain.sensei Instagram, watch out for the scammers. We don't take money over IG. Don't send fake Ninja T your Bitcoin. Okay, that's not me. Click the link in our bio. That's superjoy.com/blockchain sensei for most things blockchain sensei. You can click on this Zoom link, and that's how you join our webinars every Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays, 8 p.m. plus. Mondays is our legacy show, The Game, which has been running for nearly 4 years now as of summer 2020. NFT Friday's been running that since April 2022, and technically speaking, is our newest show. Hence why not enough people know about it, and the attendance for this one is low for now. It's more of it if you know, you know. You can also join our free Telegram and free WhatsApp group, get a 30-minute free AI consultation, and then we've also got our paid subscription service where we do live calls, mainly me and Jay. We show a real six-figure portfolio and 25K trading account. On tonight's episode of the Dojo, I will be potentially spending 2 Ethereum, yes, $5,000 at current value on NFTs. It will not be recorded because it's only live calls, right? But if you want the link to that, let me know. Starting in 90 minutes. So, quick disclaimer, terms and conditions. All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. And it should not be considered as investment advice to buy, sell, hold any assets, or place any trades. Please always do your own what, guys?
Market research.
That's what you should do. Our content is intended and should only be used for informational use. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. I might be spending $5,000 on NFTs tonight, but that's not my life savings. And it's actually a mix between me and other people's money because we pooled it together. So it's not all my money. So I'm not crazy. So don't just go spend that much amount of money in NFTs if you are uninformed or any trades. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. I am definitely not one of those. Are you a financial advisor, St. Jerome?
Nope.
No. Are you a financial advisor, BitBlonde?
No.
No. Okay. Alternatively, independently research and verify all and any information you may find in our show that you may wish to rely upon when you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what, guys?
Risks.
So do your own research. Now, myself, BitBlonde, exclusive, St. Jerome, everyone on the Zoom, shouts, Monero and Trellis on the Zoom, on the IG. However, work in collaboration with several accredited advisors. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor. All right, back to the Zoom. Back to the Zoom. Are we back at the Zoom? Yes, we are back at the Zoom. Okay.
I'm happy today. That's good.
You want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
I'll go first.
You want to go first?
Yeah.
All right, ladies first. Let's go.
Okay. So what's going on here? Like, I just realized that I got stopped on my position while I was outside. So what is happening? I think Ethereum, it could be a double bottom very shortly. So I'm going to wait first to see what's going to happen. Somewhere like I would like to buy actually at this level, 2,400, but I don't know if you're going to come here. Um, I'm just going to wait now to see. I think somewhere, oh yeah, sorry. 2,400, I think would be a great deep to buy. But if we hold on this more time frame, it could be, sort of a double bottom. And I don't think that we're going to go but yet. It's just, a correction.
1 moment.
Sorry, my Siri is talking. Computer.
What would you like to search for?
Anyways. So yeah.
Not sure I understand.
Sorry, guys.
Is that guy talking to you?
That's Siri. She's AI from Apple. So, like personally though, I would just wait to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. But on a 4-hourly chart, it's looking good to a buy level soon. But I would wait on confirmation to open a new long. But yeah, that's what I think. I think I'll be waiting for, I don't know, 4 hours to see what's going to happen at least. But I don't see Bitcoin going that low, but that was absolutely drastic, right? So we might just wait a little bit before taking any further decisions. So I think now is altcoin time. So whatever, Bitcoin and Ethereum is just...
How long have I been talking about Hex? Since when?
Look at that.
How long?
Yeah. Oh my God. I missed
It's
out.
October, man.
Bunk. Yeah. So altcoins are going crazy. It's even hard to find an altcoin to buy at the moment. So I don't know. X is doing really, 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 really good. And it might continue to pump, but I would just look for those who haven't pumped yet. So Gala, Near, can't see Near, must be pumping. What is it? Tau, I think Tau is a good one also to buy. Yes, I can't believe I missed out on this pump, really. Can't believe it. Let me have a look on the...
Did you ever get any exposure to Hex or not?
No.
Hey, you best find that entry.
Wow.
Not financial advice.
Yeah.
You best find that Hex entry. Look, BitBlonde. Hex is like 100x from all-time high. Did you get it?
Could be a
It's
bull
like
flag.
100x from all-time high.
Well, yeah, I think it's time to, start trading altcoins again because like whatever, Bitcoin and ETH are taking a long time. So yeah, is on a uptrend. So you can potentially trade on the small time frame Hex USDT. Also, let's have a look at this one. I literally missed that pump. I missed. Oh my God. Yeah. It may looks flat and so yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I did not catch that one. People
Yeah.
tell me to check out this coin, but you know what it is? Like, I know my trading pairs right now, like in this season. Yeah. Like, I know what meme coins I believe in.
Oh,
I know what narratives I believe in. I know what I know what futures pairs are like. Like I like the only three futures I do is Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Like I don't do any altcoin futures. I only do spot altcoin. And it's just like, guys, you really have to like, whilst you're here, right? Don't everyone who's watching this now and in the future, take a little bit from BitBlonde, take a little bit from me, and take a little bit from everyone, and then find what works for you.
Yeah, yeah. Well, like
Okay.
personally, overall, just to close, I'm just waiting on Bitcoin and Ethereum to kind of stop dipping again to enter again. I don't think that we're going to go lower yet, but I'm waiting. So now I'm going to start looking for altcoins and probably bonk USDT. I will be longing. It looks good to break out, on my opinion. And yeah, you can find your own at Crypto Bubbles, but make sure to make your own research. But I think it's definitely altcoin season now. So just have a look on altcoins.
I would like to add that it's altcoin and NFT season,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Do you want to share?
Have you done? Have you? Are you done? You got any more offer?
Technically, because literally I've been outside, so I'm just going to wait on Bitcoin ETH to start trading again, but I'm gonna go to altcoins now. So
Oh, cool. I got you. I got you. I got you. All right, cool. I'm sharing my screen. Wait, no, I need to share a screen on the same Chrome tab because I've half screen really. So give me a second, guys. Uh,
I'm a bit, it's
all right.
gonna be good because I'm a bit lost on NFTs at the moment. So give me some
Hey, first of all, subscribe to BitBlonde. Come on, let's get BitBlonde to 200 subs. Let's go.
trying to go to the moon.
Yeah. Yeah, come on, man. Subscribers go to the moon. Look, she's putting in the work, man. There's not enough ladies in crypto, so make sure you like and subscribe. You know, what I mean, let's make sure we support BitBlonde. But yeah, let's get into the alpha, right? So let me make a statement. As a trader, I have no idea what my PNL is. A lot of traders are obsessed with like percentage returns, right? This is what I know. I know that my net worth has increased every single quarter, every single 3 months since lockdown. Why? Because on a daily basis, my money and my net worth go up and down. Yes, I do lose some trades. Yes, I invest in some memes and get rugged, right? But I understand risk management, okay? So, and I understand um, not only risk to reward, but the time value of not just money, but the time value of my energy and time value of attention. So, as a trader, let me tell you, I don't know my PNL, but as somebody who's got 8 years in the game, I can tell you my net worth has gone up every single damn 3 months. I promise you, I've had more money and more assets every 3 months, and that's why I'm up and comfortable, right? Let me tell you that trading wise, like I started off with forex, and I'm a really crappy forex trader. I'm really bad at trading gold, oil. Crypto is my game, right? It's not everyone's game. It's not everyone's game. But I didn't get financially free from crypto trading. No, I got free from crypto investing on spot, buying asset as is. So in these market opportunities, right? In these Bitcoin drawdowns, because mind you, the price of Bitcoin, the price, one second, let's go to Bitcoin for a second, and then I'm gonna do a not financial advice altcoin recommendation, not a shill, okay? Because is shilling illegal? I don't know if shilling is illegal, but let's just pay attention to something very quickly. The price of Bitcoin today is approximately the price of Bitcoin during Christmas times ish. So because remember, it's buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So ugh, why is the Matrix attacking and lagging me? All right, so the price of Bitcoin around Boxing Day was 41,000. basically 42k. It's basically the same price. We've basically consolidated, moved up, spiked up, gone down, ETF, seldom used and crash, and now we've got support. Right? I know this is not the most technical. I could get trading view, but I can't be bothered right now because what I want to do is I want to give you the financial alpha, of which of course is not financial advice, that's actually going to change your life. Okay. Don't be overly worried about making 200 there, 300 there. What you want to do is you want to be able to stack up, mind my language, fucking time wealth. Okay. A good measurement of wealth is if you stop getting paid today, how long can you last? Oh my God, I'm spitting bars. Let me go live on IG. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I can't let this moment go. Let me take my moment. 1 second. And then I'm going to get into some alts, and then I'll actually do some TA. 1 second. Live now on Zoom. Click Zoom in story. And I'm going to pin that. Cool. Go back to the IG. Back to the IG. Back to the IG. Okay, cool. Let me say that statement one more time. A good measurement of wealth is if you stop getting paid today, how long can you last? Right? Me personally, at 28, I don't have to work for a few years. As in, I could really not work for a few years. I could chill on my assets. That's where you want to get to, right? So remember, the market always, smart money in crypto prices in the price action before the event, which is why most things are overvalued in euphoric times like this. So where most things are overvalued, you need to go where? Where things are undervalued. I've even got a damn star on this, right? I've been ripping profits from Engine since January 2021. Now, I don't mean that means that I've traded and invested. This is another thing, and this is why, like, I prefer crypto over, especially forex. Is one of the best things you can do is trade the same assets that you invest. So I trade Bitcoin futures, and I invest the dollars profit from Bitcoin futures. Obviously, I lose some trades, right? But the ones that I win, I invest those in the Bitcoin dip, and then I spot trade Bitcoin. Do you understand? If anyone doesn't understand, I'll explain. But let me talk about Engine, right? So the thing you should be considered, like in these especially unclear times of trading, you need to wear your investor hat and look where it's overvalued because the price of Bitcoin was already priced in. The real narrative was distract everyone with the Bitcoin ETF from the fact that Ethereum has not 2x'd yet. Did you know that if you put one Ethereum into Bitcoin in July 2023, in December 2023, your Ethereum would be up 40%, i.e., if you put in one Ethereum into Bitcoin in August 2023, you would have cashed out 1.4 Ethereum, or you could have done 1.2 Ethereum on some Bitcoin. Take that as you will. But anyway, where everyone should be considered now, like for those that care about increasing their net worth, right? I'm just gonna give an ultra gem. This gem is called Engine. Now I'm not getting paid to say this. I don't know anything about the owner. Sorry, I don't know anybody at Engine personally, okay? But why do I really like this coin? Remember, cryptocurrency is a mixture between a reaction to global affairs and what's going on in the world. Right now, we're very risk on. It's a very risk on world. Let me sway from Engine for a second and just do and then swing into the more hardcore TA. Not hardcore, but actual charts. So I'm not just some guy chatting shit. I can do charts. 1 second. Let me go to my watch. Watch this. Okay, so the Nasdaq. For those that are unfamiliar, what is the Nasdaq? The Nasdaq is the top 100 US tech companies, including but not limited to Sony, not Sony. Pause. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Facebook, aka Meta. The Nasdaq is at all-time highs right now. As in the Nasdaq. Let me give you the exact date. The exact date was on the Thursday, the 28th of December. And the exact time by the hour was at 3:30 p.m. Thursday, the 28th of December, whilst the world was distracted, the Nasdaq reached all-time highs. Okay? What happened last year? Let's look at Tesla stock. People are quick to forget, right? In December, at the end of 2022, so this is literally date for date. On the 28th of December 2022, 1 year before, let me bring it back to the Nasdaq. I'm always looking for correlations in the market, right? Again, the 28th of December 2023, very recent times, Nasdaq, the top 100 US tech, hit all-time highs. 1 year ago today, Tesla, which makes up a lot of the Nasdaq, right, was at recent all-time lows. You could have bought Tesla stock at the end, anywhere from Christmas times to a couple of weeks into the new year, aka right now, on spot, no leverage, and sold that shit, mind my language, on goddamn Valentine's Day, which is in a month, and got 2x on Tesla. So what does that mean? Nobody talks about this. Nobody talks about this. To this day, people don't talk about this. I talk about it, but people, it's not a narrative, right? You want to go where the gains are. So crypto is extremely overvalued right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum are overvalued assets. A lot of top altcoins right now are overvalued. So where do you want to go? Further down into the chain, okay? So coins like Web3 gaming coins that have pumped already, right? In the top 100 are, I'll find them. But what is the sandbox? The sandbox is a individual game ecosystem. I don't want to say the sandbox. I like sandbox. Decentraland Mana. All right, cool. So they've done their pump. A lot of altcoins like Polkadot are actually like XRP and Cardano are cheaper prices than they are versus Christmas times, where Bitcoin is almost the same. Take that indicator for as you will. But Engine Coin for me, like this right now, is highly undervalued. Okay, highly undervalued indeed. Why? Because Engine are a company that have existed for I believe 12 to 13 years. The acting CEO and acting CTO, last time I checked, which was less than a year ago, have been the acting CEO and CTO for the past decade plus, and with the original founders. The CTO, Vitek Radomski, I think that's how you say his name, he basically co-coded the non-fungible token ERC 155 code, something like that. I'm not the biggest tech person, but so the ultra techners don't come at me, but something along the lines of he was essentially basically the release of the non-fungible token code, which basically certifies the digital asset ownership, right? I'm going to teach you guys a quick fundamental when it comes to. So yeah, Engine is basically my. Engine is a top pick for me, and when it comes to altcoin allocation, not financial advice, I don't recommend you put anything more than 5% of your portfolio in an altcoin that is under $1 billion. So if you want to play it safe, like 5% allocation, no financial advice of your portfolio is good. Why? Because look, first of all, let me teach you guys a fundamental, and then I'm gonna go back to Engine Coin, and then you can relate that to anything that has similar price action. Right now, I need like one of those websites where I can write stuff. Right now. Where's them websites? Notepad. I need a notepad. That's what I mean. I need one of the notepad websites. Notepad. Come on, give me a website. Online notepad. Okay, perfect. All right, perfect. This is exactly what I want. Font sizes. Let me make that large. Okay. The theory, and it's a big theory, right? Okay. If you don't know this, this is gonna change your life. So, the theory of hypothetical return. All right. Saint Jerome, BitBlonde. Have I ever spoke about this? The theory of hypothetical return. I can't remember if I've ever spoke to you about this.
No, never heard.
Don't
Okay.
think so. No.
Okay, so this is the theory of hypothetical return is very effective in a bear market. So you basically take the ATH all-time high, yeah, and you divide it by the CP, which is the current price. Why? If the am I wrong or am I right when I say that if a project has very strong fundamentals, venture capital backing, and history, i.e., it's lasted more than 2 cycles, you know, your Polkadots, your Cardanos, your XRPs, right? We speculate as crypto investors they're going to go back to all-time high at a minimum, right? Am I
Yeah.
right or am I wrong?
It
So
depends.
we speculate things are going to go to all-time high. They don't always go back to all-time high. Like XRP is not going back to all-time high, right? Despite being the court case. So it doesn't always work. It's not a bulletproof strategy. There is no guaranteed ways to make money in crypto. And I'd run away from anybody that guarantees you anything in life, right? Because the only thing that's guaranteed in life is death. So that's what I can guarantee, that you're going to die one day. So I can't guarantee anybody financial returns, right? And people need to stop asking me stupid questions like, if I were to start off, how much money would you put in? I don't know. I don't know what the situation is. I have no idea. I am 28, no car, single. I have an easy life, and this is why I can be a degenerate. So don't copy me, right? I have no responsibilities. Maybe you have kids. I don't know. So the all-time high of Engine, right, was $4.22. $4.22. That's November 2021. Okay? That's the all-time high of Engine, right? The ATH. And the CP of Engine, the current price, is only 31 cents. Now, this can get a little bit complicated. Actually, one second. Let me stop talking for a second. $4.22 divided by 31 cents. All right, I'm going to wait until someone does this calculation just so I can check that you're all engaged. First person to give me the answer, $4.22 divided by 31 cents. I'm not going to continue this webinar till somebody does the maths.
13.61.
13.61. Perfect. So can you understand? And I'm not saying it's going to happen, okay? There is an absolute possibility, let me just protect myself, there's an absolute possibility the Engine could go to zero and it can be an absolute scam after 13 years of being a... Okay, everybody understand this? I'm moving pages in 5 seconds. So screenshot, take a picture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Okay, so let's go back to Engine. I mean, you can go to the YouTube replay, so if you didn't screenshot it, it's fine. So the likelihood of something, not Engine specifically, but a company like Engine, a company that has existed in crypto for a very, 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 very long time, all right? Okay, not specifically just Engine, but companies like Engine are going to go back to the all-time high. If you want to actually change your life in crypto, then in these drawdown opportunities of uncertain times where shit's overvalued, you want to look where things are what? Undervalued. Okay? So let's just have a look at some quick fundamentals. And again, take these fundamentals and search for these fundamentals in other protocols and investments, right? So these guys have got 230, that's $250 million in on-chain liquidity. How much is the market cap? 426 million, not even 1 billion, right? So market cap is just how much is invested in the asset. So they can match that in what? On-chain liquidity. They've got 3 million users. Okay, let's do some maths. Now, it could all be lies, but what's 425 million divided by 3 million? That's only like $110. Are you telling me 3 million people don't see more than 110? I got thousands invested in Engine. I'll tell you that. Okay. Well, that doesn't mean you should. Just telling you what I'm doing, trying to help you out. Also, let me just give you a bit more information on Engine, and then we'll go to the rest of the market. They have a very, very nice tokenomic structure. Okay. So there's a mathematical reason why the price of all crypto is the price of crypto. Let me just give this one for the newbies. So, Saint Jerome, I'm going to put you on the spot. BitBlonde, I'm going to put you on the spot. What is the mathematical formula for price? What is the mathematical reason why all crypto is the price it is?
Is it market cap and circulating supply?
Yeah, market cap divided by circulating supply. Yes, exclusive. Exactly, right? Market cap divided by circulating supply. So, oh, sorry. The mathematical reason why Engine and Bitcoin and any crypto is the price it is, it's just how much is invested in the asset divided by how much is in the circulating supply. Let me tell you why I love the Engine tokenomics. Okay, tokenomics is the study of mathematics and coins. You know what? I don't know what the dictionary definition is of tokenomics. I'm not a crypto expert. Okay, I'm just a guy who likes crypto, so I don't know what the definition of tokenomics is. Okay, so yeah, Engine's 30 cents because it's market cap divided, because it's 426 million divided by the circulating supply of $1.3 billion. But get this, in the Engine gaming ecosystem, in order to mint an Engine NFT, right, put the digital asset in the within the Engine ecosystem, you need to lock up Engine coins. Why? Because one of the biggest problems with Ethereum NFTs, aka 99.99999% of OpenSea, right, and all the shit they sell in all the other open marketplaces, is just a worthless digital asset. When you have an NFT, for the most part, you have an illiquid asset, right? What does illiquid mean? It means that you can't just sell it on the open marketplace. You need to find a damn buyer. It's not like crypto. You don't just sell it at the open market price. There is no open market price. The market decides the open market because you have to wait for an individual or robot to buy your digital asset off you. At least with Engine NFTs, they've created it so you have a liquid NFT. So I could sell an NFT within the Engine ecosystem. I could buy 100 Engine coins. That would cost me $30. I can afford that, right? So 100 Engine coins. Then I can create an NFT of some sort. Let's call it like, I don't know, I called it made a Ninja T NFT, put my music on it. If somebody wanted to destroy the NFT and get the 100 coins out, they're welcome to. Why are they welcome to? Because maybe when the coins go, if not when, there's nothing financial advice. If 100, what's 100 times $4.20? It's $420, right? Inside joke. $420, right? 420. Maybe somebody will think about destroying my NFT for $420. I don't know what people's situation are. But what happens if the circulating supply decreases and the market cap stays the same? The price goes up. That's why I like Engine tokenomics. Let's go to some. Is anybody got any questions? Am I going over anybody's head? Is everyone understanding what I'm saying?
Bro, you were
Let's look
talking
at this.
about. Can I say something, bro? Sensei.
Yeah. Talk. I'm
Yeah,
listening.
you were talking about this 5% allocation of portfolio, 5% allocation of your this in the in any altcoins, and then you stopped
Yeah.
suddenly. Maybe I mean you didn't complete that, the 5% fundamental, why you should put only 5% on of wealth in some to altcoins or something like that. And second thing is the last week you said inside out about polka dots we were talking about. Can you have a look over injective protocol? Like, is it overvalued? I mean, where do you see it in future? At what value? uh, how is it? I mean, how good are the fundamentals of injective protocols?
Okay, no problem. I really appreciate your participation. Thank you very much for checking out the Polkadot episode. For yourself and everybody's future note, when asking me a question, try to be very concise because I feel like you asked me like 4 different entwining questions. But I feel like the 2 main questions that you are asking me is why the number 5% maximum allocation into altcoins, and you wanted to ask me about a specific coin. Am I correct? You want me to look at a specific coin?
Yeah,
What coin is that?
injective protocol, INJ.
INJ. For sure. One sec. I
I
got
think
you.
it was on your watch list as well when you were, I mean,
Okay.
scrolling through.
This is actually not my watch list. The reason why I need to use this account is because of the way StreamYard is set up. So I can't actually share my main trading view, but I do recommend CoinTrader Pro. This is my default that I go to when streaming. Because anyway, okay, so let me answer both questions. Let me do the technical question first, and then I'll do the fundamental question second. So the coin you want me to look at is INJ. I got you. INJ USD. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see where we're at with regards to this coin. Oh my God. All right. Okay, so the first indicator is always the RSI. Okay, even a child can read this. So, what's your name?
My name is Waleed.
Waleed. Do you know what
Yeah.
the RSI is, Waleed?
No, absolutely not. I'm not much into trading. I'm into long-term investments right now.
Okay, let me tell you this. The sentence you say is what everyone who is not good at technical analysis and doesn't know how to trade says. I trade and invest. I do short term and long term and mid term. I do futures and spot and I invest in NFTs. The reason why I do it is because I can. I promise you, if you could do it, you would, right?
Yeah.
Don't let that long-term psyop stop you from learning to trade and learning to read charts. I exited almost all my cryptocurrency on the 25th of October 2021. By exited, I mean into stablecoins. And then I let the market top in mid-November, and then I laughed at everybody who thought it was going to go to 100K. And then I let the market crash, and then I bought Bitcoin. Well, I started dollar cost averaging back to Bitcoin in May 2023. So even as somebody, I am an absolute on-chain maxi. By on-chain, it means that I believe in the blockchain and believe in decentralized technology. I believe in what it stands for, and I do believe in storing wealth on-chain. But I will never hodl for any long-term reason for no reason. Does that make sense? If it's time to sell Bitcoin, it's time to sell. If it's time to buy it back, it's time to buy it back. And this long-term holding mentality is stopping a lot of people getting the gains that they should be getting. Like, it's not a bad idea, but it's not a great idea. So don't let the world psyop you into the long-term thing. Sell at the top and sell some and buy back. Okay, so I would 100% absolutely not invest in this coin right now. I don't know anything about this coin. I don't know that much enough to speak on it. But price action wise, this is crazy and it doesn't make sense. So this looks like absolute euphoria to me. Okay, so let me teach you guys very quickly. This website here, CoinTrader Pro, is free. So you can go to this website for free. This is the best indicator in the world for beginners. And to this day, it's my favorite indicators to start off with. Not rely on, start off with. So the RSI is an indicator if an asset is undervalued or overvalued, right? So when the RSI is under 30, it's an indication that an asset is undervalued and it's a buy signal. When the RSI is over 70, it is an indication that an asset is overvalued. Sorry, 30 and under, undervalued, 70 and over, overvalued, aka sell signal. The longer the time frame it is, for example, 1 month, the more reliable it is. Okay. So we don't have enough data to be on the monthly time frame, so we got to go down. On the weekly time frame, it is extremely high. The highest it's ever been since February 2021. Now, the eyes can fool you. Okay. The drawdown from here to here may be way more violent than the drawdown from here to even this price. I suspect so, but only the ruler tool will let me know. So I don't know until I do this. So from here, why do I say that? Because the RSI, 1 second. The current RSI right now, oh, let me get a line. Line here. Oh, that didn't work. Never mind. The current RSI, or not current, but the recent weekly RSI had an overvaluation indicator of 95, right? The last time it was there was February 2021, and that was the start of the previous bull run. From the previous bull run to the depths of hell in June 2022, we did a. In fact, let's not go to the depths of hell. That's too far of a time frame. We won't go there. We'll go to this time frame, which is more reasonable, which is only 2 months later in May. So the drawdown that we received was a 65% drawdown. From here to here is a 65. Oh my God, it's almost the same. Sorry, go on. Hello? Okay, never mind. All right, so the journey from here to here percentage-wise is the same, 65%. Now, obviously, we can't always expect a 65% retracement. So let me go get me a fib. Where's the fib? Where's the fib? Give me the fib. Fib retracement. I say here's good. Ooh, nice. Okay, cool. So let me give you the buy prices. Let me give you some buy prices, not financial advice. The buy prices are. Oh, 1 second. And then after this, I'm going to answer the question on why 5% allocation, right? Oh,
Great.
no, give me that feedback. Sorry. Okay, so retracement wise, we want to look for 50%. Perfect. Okay, so a good a great entry would be $21. Okay, you can start averaging down a little bit at 25 because sometimes things don't draw down as violently, and from all-time high to the 0.5 in the fib, 41% retracement. That's fantastic. And then if it hit, I think this is the absolute screamer level that it's the lowest that it should go. I don't know anything about this coin, but assuming that everything's legit and kosher with the fundamentals, because I don't know anything about this coin, okay? I don't know anything. This is based on technicals alone, okay? Based on technicals alone, if it ever gets to $14, this is the bit where you want to do what I like to call load the boat. Load the boat means you go heavy. Now, before investing in any asset, always ask yourself, what is the maximum allocation? So let's say you got 10K budget, total crypto. You should only be investing 500 in INJ total. This is if you want to be safe, okay? Do I do this? I don't want to tell you guys. Okay, I don't want to tell you guys what I actually do because it's probably degenerate. But these are the guidelines of people much smarter than me. So let's go. So 500 in INJ, so INJ will be a sensible allocation, but this is where people fail. People fail because they'll have the $500 ING budget, but they'll spend it all at once. What you want to be doing is that you want to average down. So what does that mean? Let's say we hit this level, right? 25. Okay. We buy the asset at a 40% discount from recent all-time highs. And let's go in light with 100. Right? Now let's say it goes from 100 and it bounces up. And it goes back to the recent highs. Well, what do? We take profit. Look, we're buying the asset at 40% drawdown, but the upside 70%. Why? Because drawdown can only go to 99.9999%. You can't. Wait, what? Okay, that's weird. No, I don't know why I'm saying minus 120. Right, you can't go down more than 100% in drawdown. It's not. Why? Okay. This is being weird. TradingView doesn't do that. Look, TradingView doesn't do that. If I go to TradingView, let me go back to. I'll go back to Engine in a second. I don't know what CoinTrader Pro's playing at. 1 second. Let me go to TradingView. You can only ever be in. Wait, what? Have I just been corrected? Are the charts correcting me? I was gonna say you can't be more than 100% drawdown. How you can't? You can't. You can't be in. You can't be in more than 100% drawdown on spot. Sorry, you can't be in more than 100% drawdown on spot because if you invest $100 in an asset, how can it go to minus? It can only go to 1 cent. That's the lowest it can go, right? So basically, the main point is upside is in your favor, especially in a market like crypto. So let's say you got $500 budget, right? You invest 100 here. Okay, it goes down further. You invest, let's say 150. And then it goes down to the ultimate level. That's where you're going to be investing 250. Why? Why do you want to do that? Because let's say the journey between, because eventually everything should swing back to all-time highs, right? To all-time high, to recent all-time high, to recent all-time high. This is where you average down. This investment, like I said before, if it goes up the first time, we're going to do 74% on 100. On this one, we're going to do 110%. That's more than 2x on your 150. And on this one, we're going to do 3x. And we still got a $50 budget. And in the extreme unlikelihood, we hit this level. Oh, my bad. We hit this level here. Then we got an extra 50 on the side. Or maybe, let's say other investments are doing well. We take a proportion of another investment, like the profit, and then we go into this dip. Damn, that's so much game. I should have charged for that. That was beautiful. All right.
Bro, that's
That
so much of juice. That's so much of juice.
amazing. That's my analysis on INJ. Remember, this is streamed on YouTube, so if I said anything that went above your head, then you can rewind. Okay, now let me explain to you why I don't think if you're a sensible investor, you should invest more than 5% of your net worth in any one altcoin. Notepad. Come on, give me a notepad, man. Why is the matrix attacking? Okay, cool. Oh, amazing. We even have the previous fundamentals. Okay, so why 5%? Why 5%? So if we want to talk about being a sensible crypto investor, right? You want to be having 25 to 30% of your portfolio in BTC, 25 to 30% of your portfolio in ETH, and the rest in alts, spread between top 10, top 20 to 50, and top 50 to 200. And then maybe some degen NFTs and memes. Okay. Max, I would say 5 to 7% in this asset range. Okay, I am not a professional financial advisor, and I don't even have a university degree. Okay, so why should you listen to me? But if you're here, I appreciate you listening, and maybe I'm saying something wise. So, why do people say, well, people smarter than me say, people smarter and richer than me say, you should have 25 to 30% of your portfolio in Bitcoin? Because if all hell breaks loose, this allocation alone will result in eventual LT long-term profit. That's what we speculate, right? If all hell breaks loose. Now, ETH outperforms Bitcoin overall-ish. Everything's kind of flexible because this year, Bitcoin outperformed Ethereum, right? But think of it like this, like Ethereum right now is what, around 2,500? And we can probably expect Ethereum to hit 10K plus, maybe 15K, 18K range at the absolute top of the bull run. We should be like October 2025-ish. I'm going to add ish at the end of everything to protect myself. And that also makes me not a financial advisor because a financial advisor would never use stupid language like ish. But Bitcoin, like where's Bitcoin really going to go? 250,000 next bull run? I don't know. Sounds a bit too crazy. So percentage-wise, you should do better. If you're really smart, you flip between Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Now, let's just take Engine Coin. Engine Coin is 13x from all-time high. Let's say in the next bull run, Engine Coin, because remember, crypto gaming is going to be a huge narrative. Let's just say Engine Coin gets to $10. I'm going to put a big question mark. All-time high of Engine, right? That's 30x from CP. So if you were to put 3% of your net worth, not net worth, crypto portfolio, not entire net worth, that's insane, right? In Engine, and it did do 30x, then you're going to be doubling your entire portfolio during time of investment, obviously. Does that make sense? And if you're a really good trader like me, you can, and I'm going to end it with this, because we've got the paid streaming service happening in 30 minutes. I need a quick break. You can, if you're smart. Let's just take BAT token, for example. If you're really, really smart, right? Let's put fiat value aside. Okay, let's take December 2022. Let's say you was a really good swing trader, right? Long-term monthly swing trader. You got 1,000 BAT token. You sell up here. Now you got cash. Okay. At least you got cash, right? You got cash. 1,000 BAT tokens, and then you sell here, and then you buy back here. Now you got 1,020. Okay. Sell up, you got 1,500. Buy at this dip, sell here. You gone up to maybe 2K. Buy back up here. It's easy said than done, obviously. And then in 1 year, you've gone from 1,000 BAT tokens to 3,000. Oh, in a few swings. If you can be patient, right? Imagine going from 1,000 coins to 3,000 coins without spending any more money. So you're tripling your coins in a bear market, which right now we're kind of in a bull trap. But look for these consolidating patterns, imagine you triple your coin supply, and this can be across all coins. You triple your coin supply, and you do 8.37x on the fiat value. Then you're doing 24x. This is why crypto can change your life if you really tap in. Let me stop sharing my screen. Share this tab instead. All right. Any quick questions before I go? I'm not doing any technical analysis. I'm just going to answer quick questions rapid.
New York, can you hear me?
Yeah, well, go on, bro. You good? Thank you for coming
Yes, what's up, Andrew? Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for having the call and that and just letting me sit and take it all in and listen. I don't really have any questions or anything because I don't really know anything. But yeah, it's just interesting to be here and take it all in.
No worries, man. Well, we stream on this exact link every Monday, every Friday, and every Sunday. Sunday is the most undervalued call. Like, this is the one where I actually talk about harder core investments and trades. Mondays is like a fundamentals one where we dive into like data, and Fridays is NFTs. And NFTs is like the last thing you should touch, in my opinion. Others will disagree, because NFTs is all in the currency of crypto. So, yeah, man.
Sure, all right. Well, no worries there, bro. Thank you very much anyways.
No worries, man. Appreciate you. And everyone, you know what? Let me give you a quick shout out on the YouTube because it's going to be on YouTube forever. So I might as well give you a quick shout out. Everybody go follow and holler in for edits as well. What's your IG again? Instagram.com/X.
Exclusive
Like that.
XCLUS.VE.
Wait, say that slowly.
XCLUS.VE.
Yeah. Let me just run you guys a quick edit with my bro Calm.
Oh, geez, yes, it's my guy.
Yeah. This shit's crazy. Okay. Yeah, but Ricardo, wait. I've been calling these bars all day.
Support
Yeah,
this.
Okay,
bro, he's fucking sick, man.
wait. Yeah. All right. Okay. There we go. Come on, let's get to 1,000 followers. He's also in our Telegram as well.
Support
So
the farm. Support the farm.
section. All righty. Let me stop sharing.
I'm going to stop recording.